The big moment has arrived for the territorial springbok ram. A breeding herd has come by. He wastes no time as he checks each ewe for signs that she's receptive. Most of them ignore his attentions. Then, one of the ewes obliges with a few drops of urine for him to test. And its chemical message tells him she's ready. He follows her closely, waiting for the right moment. And with a single well-aimed thrust, the act of procreation is over. Morning finds the cheetah mother calling her cubs. They've gone exploring without her, but the Kalahari is full of danger for curious cats. The cubs have discovered a wounded gemsbuck that may have escaped from a lion. It's weak, but something tells them they're still out of their league. They're intrigued, but they don't know what to do. Its horns could be lethal. It's too big even for their mother to tackle. Eventually, their curiosity satisfied, they heed their mother and leave the gemsbuck to its fate. In the dry riverbed, the male springbok has a problem. The breeding herd is grazing its way out of his territory. He wants them to hang around. The longer they stay, the more ewes he can impregnate. So he tries to herd them back. But he's powerless to hold them against their will. In the low brush along the riverbed, the cheetahs begin their stalk. The herd grazes in a wide part of the bed where there's no cover. The mother leads. In this situation, her cubs are worse than useless and often give the stalk away. Soon she'll leave them behind to watch how she does it. The ram, distracted by his wandering herd, hasn't seen the cheetahs closing in on him, barely 100 yards away. As the ram tends his errant ewes, the cheetah mother inches closer. The cubs would like to join in, but they're learning to sit tight. The mother makes her move. Most hunts end this way. The springbok will escape from her in more than half her chases. When the cubs catch up with their exhausted mother, there's no meal waiting for them. If they're disappointed, it doesn't show. Evening brings relief from the day's heat, and the ground squirrels forage until it's time to go into their burrows for the night. The cheetahs, too, will settle down to sleep somewhere in the dunes, while the squirrels continue their endless antics and squabblings over choice pickings below. One spots trouble on the horizon. House guests from hell. And there's no doubt where they intend to spend the night. The sharp-nosed visitors hardly acknowledge the squirrel's existence and are about to take over their burrows.